Welcome to the Level 1 BSL Dialogues and Stories online package. I just want to explain what's included in this online study course to help you to develop your British Sign Language receptive and productive skills. Let's have a brief tour of the main content and some examples of the dialogues and stories. Here is Marcel Hirshman. He will be guiding you through the main Level 1 BSL content. So here is an example. There will be some sections without voice and subtitles to help you develop your receptive skills. Then later, you will be shown the videos with voice and subtitles to check your understanding. A, B, C, D, E. Hello. How are you? There will also be downloadable PDFs, which include the script of the vocabulary and content taught. Rooms in the house. Home. Rooms. House. Flat. Bungalow. 13. 28. 51. 14. 5 years old. 3 pounds. 59 pounds. 3:30. 23 years old. Marcel will also teach you BSL in time, weather, transport, directions, hobbies, work and food and drink. Now let me introduce you to our two-part BSL dialogues with our remaining deaf presenters. In total, there will be 15 dialogues presented to you, which will again be shown without voice to encourage development of your BSL receptive skills, and then re-shown with voice and subtitles to check your understanding. There will also be some questions about the conversation, along with the full script for you to download. So here are our deaf presenters. We have Woolfe with Radha Starr, Marcel Hirshman with Fifi Garfield, and Woolfe with Deepa Shastri. Let's give you a quick example of some of the dialogues. Again, some without voice and some with voice and subtitles. Good morning. I'm here for my job interview.
Good morning. Yes, we have been expecting you. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
How are you doing today?
I am good, thank you. How are you?
Do you like animals?
Yes, of course I do. We have a farm.
What's your favourite animal on your farm? So how have you been?
I've been all right. What about you?
Oh, I've been great. Been keeping busy as normal.
How has Aunt Muriel been? All the presenters are members of the deaf community and share a wealth of experience, such as TV presenting, camera work, interpreting, deaf acting, and translation work. So I am sure you agree they are ideal people to help you improve your BSL skills. For the last section, there are 5 BSL picture stories included. So let's take a quick look. On a train. Eleanor loves to travel. Today, Eleanor goes to the train station to buy a ticket to Paris. She reaches the station, but she is lost and doesn't know where to go to buy her ticket. In the distance, she sees a security guard.
Learning to drive. Today, Jacob is going to take his driving test. He has been practicing his driving all week. His mother is going to take him there. He is very excited, but also nervous. Jacob is getting dressed. While he's doing so, he's revising all the rules in his head.
I hope this helps, and I want to wish you luck in your sign language journey.